Hello friends, so welcome to my video tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a simple Java application using Netbeans IDE 8.2, which is currently the latest version which I'm using right now. um, and in this tutorial we are gonna make a Java application using Swing framework in Java. So to create the project, click on new project from the file menu. It will give you this new project pop-up screen. There are a bunch of options for the project we want to select. Click on Java, then Java application, then click on next to proceed. Then in the project name whatever you like the project name to be. Here in this case we let it be demo, and see that the main class is unchecked because you don't want the Java to make a main class for you from the beginning itself, because you cannot customize it to be a mm, graphical main class which you can run. So uncheck the create main class and finish creating the project. So as we can see, our new project is being created. Let's hope that it is done soon. So as we can see, our new project has been created named demo. So click on the arrow, and as we can see, source packages over here, and under that default package, right click on source package and under new menu select Java package. This will open a new Java package form. From this form, uh, enter the package name whatever you like it to be. In this case we are entering it source. Click on finish to continue. Then a new source package is created, and right click on source as, and then from new select JFrame form, because JFrame is a base form on which Java applications can be made. Now edit rewrite the class name whatever you want it to be. Let it be layout in this case, and then click finish to make a layout.java, which will be particularly be a JFrame form. So as we can see, layout.java has been created, and a default blank layout has been given for this Java FX application. Now from this right menu, we can select any of the widgets and drag and drop on the layout to just place it place them over it. We can add a menu bar as we can see here, and then a label. You can place a label anywhere. In this case we are placing it over to the topmost corner, and then you can edit the text from this right menu named text. We are writing here hello world for testing purpose, and then select font as font to maximize the size of the font. Then it will open a form to customize the form, and let's choose a bigger one, maybe 48. Yes, but it is still aligned towards the left. So click on horizontal alignment and then click on select center. Now it is center aligned. Hello world. Now drag and drop a button just to show you that it supports all the widgets. um, right click me for testing purpose on the button in the text menu from the right properties. So now the text on the button has changed to click me. Now to run it, click on the play button in the green above it. It will ask you to create set a main class because you haven't set during its creation. Just double click on the class which you want to set as the main. Here it is layout.java, or just click on OK. because we have only created one file, so it will already be selected by default. As we can see, it is running. It takes some time to come. Now our Java application is ready. All the buttons are working. As we can see over here, it is a draggable window. We can customize it as whatever we want. So thank you guys. This is the end of our tutorial. Hope you like, subscribe and comment if you like the video. Thank you guys.